Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the goal, one clear learning outcome, so every shot serves that purpose. Once done, set up minimal gear. Camera at eye level, cardioid mic close, soft light 45 degrees off axis. Make sure to stabilize the frame and remove distractions. This saves editing time. Then open your outline and write the first actionable step as a command for the viewer. Explain why each step matters and record a quick test clip to verify. You now move into the core execution. Split the process into 3-5 clear, demonstrable steps. This keeps attention and makes editing simple. Once you record, add B-roll and close-ups for complex motions so viewers can see detail. Make sure to narrate the how and the why, not just what you do, but why it matters. Record short takes instead of long runs, they're easier to fix. Finally, annotate timing in your notes to match visuals during edit. You finish by tightening rhythm and clarifying outcomes. Trim pauses, emphasize keyframes, and add captions for accessibility. Once done, balance audio levels, color-correct skin tones, and export 1080p 264 with a 16:9 frame. Make sure to include a quick summary and a call to action that reinforces the learning outcome. If something goes wrong, like audio drift, resync using a waveform or replace with your recorded voiceover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.